I am from Gaugras Maths. I shall explain question number 1C that has been taken from exercise 6.5 chapter 6 maxima and minima. The question is find the maximum and minimum values if any of the function f of x equal to minus in bracket x minus 1 का whole square plus 10. Here I shall write solution. Implied that given that f of x equal to minus x minus 1 का whole square plus 10. The given function is f of x equal to minus x minus 1 का whole square plus 10. Now again I shall write implied that x minus 1 का whole square will be greater than equal to 0 where for all x belong to set of real numbers. Here you can see first term without minus sign I have taken x minus 1 का whole square. x minus 1 का whole square is greater than or equal to 0. This means that the value of x I shall take from the set of real numbers. Any value of x that has been taken from the set of real numbers I put here. Here you will get always perfect square. The perfect square will be greater than or equal to 0. So here I shall write perfect square of any real number is positive. Perfect square of any real number is positive. Again I shall write implied that here you can see first term has the sign negative sign. Here this is an inequality. In the left hand side of inequality, if I multiply minus 1, the right hand side of inequality will also be multiplied by minus 1. So here multiply minus 1 to left hand side, x minus 1 का whole square will be greater than zero minus 1. So here you can see there is a rule when an inequality is multiplied by negative sign in both sides, then the sign of inequality will be changed. So here greater than equal to, here it comes out to be less than equal to. Here I shall write for all x belong to set of real number. Again I shall write minus x minus 1 a whole square less than equal to minus 1. Multiply minus 1. So 0 will be multiplied to minus 1. So we will get here 0. 0 is multiplied to minus 1. Here we will get 0. For all x belong to set of real number. Left hand side of this inequality is multiplied to minus 1. Right hand side will also be multiplied to minus 1. So here we get minus x minus 1 का whole square. In this case the sign of inequality will be changed. I have changed greater than, less than, और 0 will multiply to minus 1, x minus 1 का whole square will be multiplied to minus 1. 0 will multiply to minus 1, you get here 0, and here this term will get. Here I shall write for all x belong to set of real number. What to do in this case? Here left hand side minus x minus 1 का whole square will be added with 10. So here write minus x minus 1 का whole square plus 10 less than equal to 0 plus 10. Here I shall write for all x belong to set of real number. So here you can see minus x minus 1 का whole square plus 10 minus x minus 1 का square plus 10, that comes out to be f of x. So here I shall write f of x less than equal to 10. Less than equal to 10. So here this means that f of x equal to 10 or f of x less than 10, this term you will get. So here I shall write the maximum value of f of x equal to 10. Here you can see when from this place I shall take x minus 1 का whole square equal to 0. So here I shall write implied that x minus 1 equal to 0 implied that x equal to 1. Here again I shall write on putting x equal to 1 in f of x equal to minus x minus 1 का whole square plus 10. You will get here f of 1 equal to minus 1 minus 1 का whole square plus 10. You will get here f of 1 equal to 0 plus 10. One minus 1 का whole square comes out to be 0, 0 plus 10. So here you have got implied that f of x equal to 10. The f of x is the maximum value. Here I shall write maximum value. Again I shall write for any value of x where x belong to set of real number and f of x less than equal to 10, this term we have to write for any value of x where x belong to set of real number and f of x less than equal to 10. Here again I write if does not have any particular minimum value. For any value of x where x belongs to set of real number and f of x less than equal to 10. From this place I have taken f of x less than equal to 10, f of x less than equal to 10 and x belongs to set of real number for any value of x. F does not have any particular minimum value. This thing you have to write. The maximum value we have got f of x equal to 10 and minimum value f does not have any particular minimum value. That will be the answer. In this way this question has been explained. Okay guys, thanks.